Hey guys, today you're going to be learning how to find the foci and vertices of an ellipse and then sketch the graph. This is the equation we were given, x squared over 9 plus y squared over 8 equal to 1. This is already in the standard form of an ellipse, which you can see the two equations are right here. Now, because the value under x is greater than the value under y, this is a horizontal major axis ellipse, which means that the ellipse is stretched more horizontally than it is vertically, as an ellipse is not a perfect circle, in which case both these would be equal to each other. So this is the equation we're going to be using. What we're going to have to do is find the foci and vertices first. The center is actually going to be 0, 0 because there's nothing being added or subtracted to the x or y value in the numerator. So that's nice. Our graph is right around the origin, and we can determine our a value by taking the square root of 9 and the square root of 8. Square root of 9 is 3, so our a value is going to be equal to 3, and our b value is going to be equal to square root of 8, which is approximately 2.8, a little over 2.8. So for our purposes, it's around 2.8, just for graphing. Now we need to find now that we have found the major axis and minor axis lengths, we can find the foci. Foci are found right here in this equation, a squared minus c squared equals b squared. A squared being our major axis, b squared being our minor axis, and c squared being our value of distance that we have to travel out to reach the foci. So this will give us our foci right here. Basically a squared, which is 9, minus c squared equals 8. So what this comes down to is basically subtract 8 from each side, and then you can add c, whichever way you want to do it. You're going to get 1 is equal to c squared, and then square root, and c is equal to positive negative 1. So, okay. Sorry about that. C is equal to positive negative 1. So now we're ready to sketch our graph. So basically, the look of a horizontal major axis is graphed like this. Basically, you got your center, which for us is 0, 0. And then the first thing we're going to do is plot out the axis lengths. So A is 3, which is the horizontal axis because it is under the x value. This number is going to be the number that we come out on each side from the center. So roughly like that. And then this number right here is going to be the vertical value. So it's just below 3. Okay. And now we need to plot the foci, which are, the value of c is 1. So along the major axis, we will come out 1 unit on each side. And those are our foci. Now we are ready to just roughly sketch this ellipse. And that's it.